In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete recent files in Windows 11. Now, in order for us to proceed, I'm going to show you the File Explorer first. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here in order to open. And as you can see, the recent files here, there are quite a lot of them. And I'm going to show you how to delete them. So it's going to be very simple. First things first, go ahead and close that one. Right click this one. And then we're going to go ahead and open the run. So here, what I want you to do is just simply type recent, just like so. Hit OK. And then you should be able to see here all the recent files. Now, take note that these are just shortcuts. Basically, you can delete them and nothing will happen to the original one. So I'm going to go ahead and click Control A just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and delete them. So as you can see, folder is empty. Now we're going to do another one. So we're going to open this once again, and I'm going to show you how to make this disappear right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Windows icon, and then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and type here, File Explorer Options, this one. I'm going to click this, and yep, here under the privacy, you should be able to see all of these here. Just go ahead and uncheck them all. So click uncheck, 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 hit apply, hit OK, and as you can see, what we have are just quick access. We no longer have access to the recent one. So yep, that is simply how it works, everybody. Congratulations. I hope this video helps you out.